E4 carrier. E4 3 phase 397 399. Okay, then we will check the phase motoring. No power from here. There's a voltage. Trip. So there's a problem, tripping. Okay, tripping. Let's see what's happening. Load compressor. 3 phase po ito, 3 phase. It's okay. Ground. One more. Oh my goodness. One more here. Don't sawa-sawa my light. Yeah. Okay. This one. Okay. We need to confirm. We need to confirm. Okay. Confirm. Okay. Okay, let's run the compressor. Oh, sounds coming. Oh, wait, hold on. Which one? What? Okay, come over here. Okay, let's go here. We will check this the reality. Okay. Let's see. Nothing. Compressor is good. 3.0. 3.2.9. Again. Here. Nothing. Where is the ground? From here. Okay, where is? Nothing. The wire is problem. Come over here. Let's see where is the wire. Where is touching? There is a wire touching from here. Where is it? Where is it? $259, Timos High. Okay. Fan is problem, huh? The fan is having problem. Okay, wait me here. Okay, we will confirm. We remove the grounding outdoor motor. It's the outdoor motor. Okay, we will confirm the motor working or not. Again. Okay. The pressure is good. So maybe this is the problem.
Picture of the
Stuck up. Yeah.
model.
Model P model. Wait.